Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we are exploring a smooth green tea scented with delicate jasmine flowers that is one of my springtime staples. This is organic jasmine tea. This type of tea is very popular in China, where it has been produced for centuries. Organic jasmine tea is made using green tea leaves that are harvested in the spring and then dried and stored until the jasmine flowers are in bloom. Once the flowers are in bloom, they are harvested and placed in layers between the tea leaves. The tea and flowers are then left to sit together for several hours, allowing the tea to absorb the sweet, floral scent of the jasmine flowers. Although organic jasmine is not technically one of our wellness teas, this tea still has tons of health benefits. One of the key benefits of organic jasmine is that it's rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the body against damage caused by free radicals. It also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which can help to boost the immune system, and potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. In addition to its health benefits, organic jasmine tea is also prized for its delicate flavor and aroma. It has a light, refreshing taste that is both sweet and floral, with a subtle hint of bitterness from the green tea. The aroma of the tea is also very fragrant and floral, making it a popular choice for tea lovers who enjoy the scent of jasmine flowers. Most of the time, when a tea lover thinks that their green tea is becoming a little bit more bitter than they'd like, it's usually because oversteeping has occurred. Most green teas only need between 2 to 5 minutes at max to steep to make sure that the tea does not become astringent or bitter. Although our organic jasmine is delicious hot or iced by itself, we made this fun recipe for you to try to get in the mood for spring. The first step is to steep the jasmine tea leaves and mint leaves in near boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you want your tea. The next step is to pour this over ice and add sparkling water up to the top. Next, add some lemon juice, garnish with a wedge of lemon or a sprig of mint, and enjoy this delicious, refreshing drink. Thank you so much for joining us for Tea of the Week this week. I hope you enjoyed learning about one of my springtime favorites and will give our recipe a try. Everything you need will be in the link below, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!